Hello sirs, how are you? This is Steven from China INVECH companies, and this is a new shaft. This is a new main shaft for the ultrafine grinding mill HGM 100, which is made recently by our companies. So here is one question for the shaft. How we choose a perfect shaft in China? First, there is three factors to affect the quality of the shaft. First is the material, raw material. Second, how to cut the shaft. Third, how to make the heat treatment. Okay, let's go to first, the material. The material, there is two kinds of material in the market. First is 35 CRMO. The English standard is 703A, 37A. This 35 CRMO is much better than the steel number 45. Steel number 45 is, and of course the price also is much higher than steel number 5, around $500 per ton higher. This is the first. Second, the shaft is, because there is chrome in the shaft, this shaft, after this material, after heat treatment, it will become much harder and much more flexible than the steel number 45. Okay, this is the first. And second, how to cut the shaft. The processing of our company to make the shaft, first we are using rough turning. Rough turning to reduce the weight of the shaft. Second, then we are making heat treatment. Heat treatment. After that, we make finish turning. Then the final is we use grinder machines to grind the shaft to exact size. Why? So here is the point. Why we are using grinder machines to grind the shaft to the exact size? Because after the finish cutting, there will be a lot of lines on the surface of the shaft, a lot of lines. So when you fix the bearing here, the bearing inside the face cannot touch the shaft 100% because there is a lot of lines here. So after you fix the bearing, remove the bearing around 5-6 times, the gap between bearing and the shaft will become big. So it will reduce the bearing working time and also the shaft working time. And then we are using the grinder machines. The advantage of grinder machines to make the shaft exact size. And then after that, the heat treatment. How we make the heat treatment? Heat treatment will make the shaft more flexible and more hardness, so it can make the shaft very strong. The shaft can serve you long time. But look, here is a point. In China market, there's some companies, they don't make the heat treatment. So then what they do, so it's very easy for them. They buy the materials, maybe steel number 45, and they just make rough turning. And then they are making finish turning, and then done. So it reduces a lot of cost. So they can sell you, lower price of course, but the quality without it. So if you want to find a good product in China, this is the point. For the shaft things, okay, for all kind of shaft things, you should focus these 3 points: material, how to cut it, they are using grinder machine or not. Third, they are making heat treatment or not. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you next time.